So this pot had the soil in it. I emptied it. It was growing. It had beans growing in it, and I took that beans out. I wanted to replace it with cucumber plant, and I'm going to be showing you how to replant a cucumber plant. So before I put the soil back into it, I want to basically replenish it with the new compost, and this is the new homemade compost, so it's going to be a bit rough. It's not going to look like the market bought compost, which is more smoother.
But it's just as nutritious and perhaps even more.
Yeah. So I roughly I'll mix a quarter of this quarter of this proportion with the compost, and
So if I don't have this soil at home and I'm starting out, then what can I use in place of this soil?
you can get cocoa peat and mix 50% market bought compost or the homemade compost, 50% of your cocoa peat and 50% of compost, and make a mixture that
And
will
then
be good
plant.
enough, and plant.
And that's pretty. It is having very less weight, so that works in that manner also.
Correct. So gotta mix this up nicely. Before I potted into this pot, I wanted to show you that they should be nice. You should provide nice holes to let the water go out,
Yeah.
right? So there are like pretty many holes, so that the soil inside the pot doesn't stay wet, dripping
it's well
wet.
drained.
It should be moist but not be dripping wet. If it is dripping wet, and the roots will get damaged.
Okay.
So I don't want to put the whole soil right now, because I want to take I'm just removing the stones. So this is the cucumber plant I want to put it in, right?
So this is grown from seeds.
From seeds.
Which are store bought.
Right. So now this, you need to support it like this, and then
Yeah. Okay.
tap it on the bottom so that it.
Because now this pot has become too small for it. So
Yeah.
we're putting it
For
in a
cucumber, you need a larger
pot.
pot. Yeah. So you basically put the extracted base of this plant from that old pot into the new pot, and then start filling the rest of the pot with the rest of the soil, and keep compacting it as and when you keep putting the soil.
So press with your hands.
With your hands you keep pressing it, so that a nice contact forms between the new soil which is coming in from the sides and the old soil which came with the plant, so that when you water this, the water actually goes to the old part of the soil.
Okay.
Because if that contact doesn't form properly, sometimes all the watering that you do is just flowing down.
Okay.
So, and also the nutrition from this new soil should go into the old soil, and the roots should spread into the new soil.
Soil. Okay.
So this compacting is very necessary.
And after compacting, you just add water to it.
So yeah, after compacting, I put some water, so that the soils settle down and
Come together.
come together.
Okay. And then you just need to water at least the cucumber plant twice a day.
Twice a day, because it requires a lot of water.
And you can see this is one of the cucumber plants which has grown quite a bit now. It's already yielding cucumbers to us, and you can see it's giving about 1 cucumbers per day. So it's not really difficult to